Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, this is an Olympiad question. After many videos I have done a video on Olympiad questions. If you want me to do many of these, then please let me know so in a comment section by just typing yes. Okay. So here now the question is 5 raised to x is equals to 7 raised to y is equals to 1225, and we have to find what is xy upon x plus y. So whenever we have something like this, let's try to remove this index and this index, okay? Because then things might get simpler. So we will write this as nothing but 1225. And we also know that 7 raised to y is equal to 1225. Now in order to remove the index from here, I have to take the xth root, and here I'll have to take the yth root. So here I will multiply by 1 by x, and this will be nothing but raised to 1 by x. 7 raised to y will get multiplied by 1 by y. Sorry. So this is 1225 raised to 1 by 5. 1 by y. So this x and this x will get cancelled. This y and this y will get cancelled. So we'll be left with 5 is equals to 1225 1 raised to 1 by x. We have 7 is equals to 1225 raised to 1 by y. Now let's try and multiply them. Okay, now you might be wondering why am I multiplying? Because very simple. If I'm multiplying, the number over here is same. So I just have to add 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. Okay, and when I'm adding, I will get x, y plus x upon xy. Okay, now students, if there was a negative sign being asked in the question, okay, then I would have to divide. Why divide? Because in case of division, I get the index as 1 upon x minus 1 upon y. So the sign changes to negative. So see, please understand, in all these entrance exams, you have to always keep an eye on what is being asked. Okay, because if you don't do that and you simply start solving, you will not be able to get your answer. When you multiply 5 into 7, you will get 35. And this is 1225, the whole raised to 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. Now, like I said, we can take an LCM and we'll be getting 1225, the whole raised to y plus x can be written as x plus y upon xy. And this is still 35. Okay. Now, understand 35 is nothing but what? Square of, or rather square of 35 is nothing but 1225. Now you might be wondering, how did I get that? Okay, so please understand, there is a very super simple trick, that whenever you have a number which is ending in 5, the answer, last two digits of your answer will always be 25, square of 5, and the first digit or first two digits in this case will be what? 3 multiplied by number which is coming next to 3, which is 4. 3 into 4 is 1 2, so the answer is 1225. If you have doubts, let's do one more thing. 65 square. So 65 square will have last two digits as 25. And 6 when then get multiplied by what? The number which is coming after 6, which is 7. 6 into 7 is 42. So you understood how easy this entire square trick became. This trick I have put up in lot of my shorts and lot of my other videos also. Please remember this trick, because this helps you a lot when it comes to such complicated questions. So here I can say that 35. So since I can say that 35 raised to 2 is 1225, I can also say that 1225 is equals to 35 raised to half. Correct? Okay. So here I can write this as nothing but what? Sorry. 1225 raised to half can be written as 35. I'm so sorry for that. So I can write this as nothing but 1225 raised to half is equals to 1225 raised to x plus y upon xy. Now since the bases are same, I can directly equate the indices. So I'll say x plus y upon xy is equals to half. But now, is that what I want? No, I want the reciprocal. So we are taking the reciprocal over here as well. So I can say xy upon x plus y is equals to, reciprocal of half is 2. Okay, so you saw how easy this entire sum became just by a basic understanding of indices. Okay, in case you want me to make a separate video on indices, please let me know so in the comment section. So that's it for now. I will see you soon in the next video.